how to restore TikTok streak. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your TikTok chat list. Here you can view all your chats on TikTok. Now open any chat from here. As you can see, you have unlocked a streak with this friend. You have to keep chatting every day to upgrade your badge. If your streak is lost, then tap on this message. Then tap on Restore at the bottom. Either of you can restore it within the next 48 hours. Following these steps, you can easily restore TikTok streak.